Next on my list, how about Toyota 76 wagon? See that I got this man interested. First of all, XTM Spotties.
9 inches.
Beautiful ARB.
With scrub rails and side steps.
Thank you, sir.
Good bud.
Nice BF Goodrich. Oh, you should put them on the 60.
575, 16. I will gladly take those. Those are exactly the size I need.
Actual?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
What's this roof rack? Looks like an ARB rack.
Mirror's a bit too small. Full set of
ARB awning as well.
Yeah.
Full ARB suite again.
Look at that.
And a
Okay.
factory snorkel.
She's got central locking, so let's go look at the back. Oh. Okay, so you might need to.
No, it's. Hang on, Xavier.
Yeah. Oh.
I just have to give it that little bit extra.
All right.
It's unlocked. Like, give it back. There we go.
Jace. It's got a harness.
Oh, it's an ex-mine car. That's why.
Oh. Is she?
Yeah, that's why they have the cage on.
Oh. Well, let's go look at the bonnet, see what she's rocking.
I reckon it was ex-mines and someone's bought it, all the mods on it.
True.
Then, done all that riff-raff. Shoulder off.
She's got dual. She's got
Dual batteries.
excuse me. I was getting there. Thanks, mate. Dual battery setup. Right. Got your standard V8 diesel. Sorry, mate. Take a look at the oil. Oil is your general diesel black state, which is fine, you know. Never knew they had a Forester here.
Yeah, what did Kellen end up doing?
Nice. There's your 13-volt setup with a solar on the roof.
Again, it's all the roll cages for mines.
Yeah, I would assume so. Right, time to fire this thing up, see what she's all about.
She has got a
Fantastic. Rightio, manual.
Hang on.
She's got 5 speeds, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
First,
Yeah.
second,
Yeah.
third, fourth. That's reverse.
Yep. There we go.
Fifth.
Yeah, well, he wasn't going in before.
Jesus, mate.
Mate, Jays.
Give her a real go. Oh, I'm only joking, mate.
Jays, mate. Hang on. The glow plug light is on. There we go. Radio works. Right, let's fire it up. Fired right up. Right, that's important window work. She sure does. That's important window. Sure does. She's got a red arc controller. Steering feels good. Brakes feel alright. There is a huge rattle in the back. I really hate that rattle noise. Right, so air conditioning. Turn that on. Look at that. There's your adjuster for the antenna. Right. Got another GME radio. Right, so I put her into gear and see how she drives. Put her on first. She's got 466,902 Ks on the clock. She goes forwards. She goes backwards. How's the clutch? Good clutch. Beautiful. Now let's see, does she go into 4 high? Alright, there's 4 high. Alright, that's what I'm doing. Doesn't want to go into gear. But you can feel it working, so that's a good thing. Right, let's give her a quick rev. Beautiful.
This thing sounds so good out the back. Get out the back, I'll give it a rev for you.
Alright. Beautiful.
Sounds so good. What do you think of it, Captain?
Mate, I like it.
I do too.
Except there is a huge rattle when the car's idling at the back.
Probably might be
The cage. I reckon it's a cage.
because you look at.
It's a Toyota, Tom. There we go.
Give her a proper go.
Oh, rightio.
Let's get a look at the back here. So I reckon.
Yeah, something's just making that awful rattle.
You reckon this is on the list, right?
Yeah, I'll keep on the list. I'm interested in Oh, Jace.
What?
Oh, I thought you already shut it. That's why I locked the car. Yeah, she's not too bad. Anyway, moving on to the last one, I think. Next on my list, how about good old 2013 Nissan Jualis? The look on his face when he saw the Jualis. I'm not really interested in this, just to see how much it goes. Maybe we could take this home, depending on how much it goes for. But so far, these auction cars have been going for too high lately. Too high that I've been interested in. There's a key. First of all, she's a bit dirty, but our front bumper looks beautiful. We got Maximus Me tires. Looks good. So far, body looks really clean. Just a bit dirty, a few scratches here and there. Another. Oh, we got a Daytona. Highway terrain. Okay, not sure what's going on here, but I'm just gonna leave that. We got a dent in the rear. That's not too bad. We got another Daytona at the back, and at the front we got another Maximus Me Max Track. So she's got a full set of wheels and tires. Well, twins on the front, twins on the back. Let's get a look at the interior. Just standard cloth interior. Smell is absolutely beautiful. Let's get a look at this one. Front actually looks really clean. 68,000 Ks on the clock. So she's really low Ks for the age she is, which is perfect. She will. All right, just a standard 2-litre petty. How's the oil looking? Oil looks good. How is the CVT fluid looking? Not too bad, but she could go for a change. Got a good battery, good fluid. Right, I say let's fire this thing up. Now, these CVTs are known to going bad at 200,000, especially with Nissans back in the day. Not sure how they are nowadays, but yeah, good thing to keep an eye out on. Right, start her up. Start, fired right up. Look at that. Oh. Steering feels light, actually feels good. I never driven one of these before. Does the imported window work? She sure does. Let's import a window. Sure does. Right, revs are going down nicely. She's a 2-wheel drive, so got no all-wheel drive features. Right, check the aircon. Radio works beautifully. Now you got navigation. You know, you want to go home. Ooh. Throw that up. Aircon. Give that a second to crank. That should go in reverse. Sure does. Backup camera. Not too bad. Check the CVT. See if she goes front and back. Forwards. Right, so you know at least the CVT belt is still decent. Aircon. Yeah, she works. Let's give her a quick rev. I'm not hearing any knocks or vibrations. Steering feels good. Brakes, like I said, I feel good. Yeah. This is definitely on my list. As long as it goes for a cheap price, I'll definitely might be bringing this home. She even has its air conditioner service. It's got a new alternator, so she's a good one. She's a good contender.
So I've hijacked Zave's camera and we're going to go and have a look at some other vehicles. So as you can see over here, don't know why it's here, but we've got a Rolls Royce. Bit interesting. A couple of other cars. Oh, there's another one over here I want to quickly show. We got the old Toyota Corona. Now this thing was actually here previously, but something must have happened and didn't work out. Mustn't have. Just got a question. Oh, here we go. Quick look inside here. Go at the back. Very nice.
Alright, one of the last ones on my list is a good old Ford Ranger 2012. Okay, by the way, if you guys are getting tired of these dual cabs, please let me know, as there is a lot of them. Right, let's get a look-see. Sofa. Got nice Maximus all-terrains. Yeah, all-terrains. See? We got some spotties. Another winch setup. Another antenna for the radio. I set up 3.2 litre 5-cylinder diesel. So far body looks alright. Another Maximus. Okay, now the Maximus body so far looks good. Got a few dings and dangs, but nothing too severe. Let's get a look at the interior. Yeah, looks pretty clean. Smell test. She smells good. Front smells all right. So check the bonnet. Oh. Right, oil. She's a bit low on oil. Oh no, actually, she's clean oil. Jeez. How was that? Looks good. Right, I say fire it up. She's got good coolant, full as well. 6-speed auto. Right. She sounds like, oh, I was gonna say she might be catching the door, but nah. She's got like rubber floor. Nice center. She's a 6-speed auto, like I said. Right, fire it up. Low plug. Oh! Oh dear. She's a rod knocker. She's a bit tappy.
Right, hang on. Let it idle, hang on.
She sounds good here, come to the side and then you see it.
Oh yeah, no, she's fucked, buddy.
Yeah! I'm not even gonna finish looking at this one. Canopy's locked and they don't have the key, so we can't open it.
Oh, she'll be right.
So, anyways, this was one of the last ones on my list, so we'll see what else is here.
Alright guys, now I've officially hijacked Xavier's camera to do some of my stuff. Now this little Izeki here, it's got the front end loader with the bucket, slasher, carry-all, and an attachment to hook a trailer on. This would actually be a seriously good buy for someone with a small acreage. Very nice little tractor. She's a bit rough looking, but as long as she runs, drives and all that operates, you're right. Let's see what else have we got going on down here. See what heavy equipment we've got. It appears Xavier has started the thing up without me, but he can do that. Got a fair few dog trailers, one 3-axle, two 3-axles and two 4-axles dog trailers. Oh, hello. Equipment trailer here. This looks pretty interesting. This could be quite good. Got the winch. Let's see. Look at the storage here. Some good storage. Tell ya. What have we got? Normal like cruiser style split rims. More storage. Big ramps. This is clearly an equipment sort of trailer. Got hand winches to wind them all on and in and all that. I've got to say, some pretty decent storage. We've got some big storage here, which appears to be locked. Of course, got the big roller. Got a Mitsubishi rigid truck here. Looks like this one's just arrived, or might be just leaving. She's locked, never mind. Here we go, the old Bedford. You can't go wrong with the old Bedfords. Let's see, is this one unlocked? She sure is. Oh, she is looking a little bit rough. Oh. And as long as she runs and drives, it's all good. What we got? We got the old manual here. There. Where's the next key? She's a bit here going. Got a few gauges there. Headliner's a bit here going. Bit of room in the back there though, so that's all right. Let's get it out of here. Oh, mod plates. I'd say that'd be for the bed on this thing. Nice wood bed. Yep, just your normal bed for like normal style one with the wood floor. Got a tow bar on it. Here we go, here's another interesting one. Nice old front end loader. Old Caterpillar, I reckon. Maybe John Deere. You can see, old school style of operate and everything. Looking good. Looking good. And come over here. Oh, we got water truck, Isuzu 1400. Is this one unlocked? No. We'll check the other side just to make sure. She is indeed locked. Let's get a look up here. Oh. As you can see here, nice little spot here, your big water tank. You know, just nothing too special, just all your sort of more ordinary stuff. Oh. Before we head up the back, anything else over here? No. Yeah, look over here, got the old Ford, what's this? 6600 tractor. Got the big front end loader on it. Newer tyres. Got the grill, the big roof on it. Yeah, she's looking pretty alright. Just one more thing I want to have a quick look at over here. Then we might head up the back and see what's going on around there. Oh, fancy seeing you here.
Yeah, fancy seeing you.
Got the New Holland T4. Front end loader on it, little roof. She's looking alright. Looks like she's the hydrostatic model, so not manual. Sort of an auto sort of one.
Just stole my camera.
Yep, I've stolen Xavier's channel's mine now. Oh, sir.
There's another point of view.
Exactly. It's bloody YouTube-ception. And then bloody camping, golf cart. Got another plug in the there. I think you find you a Thompson rock in.
Oh, jeez. Jeez. Oh, we got a Suzuki Swift up there.
You got to play stuff up there, the abandoned stuff, don't we, Xavier?
Yes, we do.
Some bloody stuff. Oh, good jackaroo too.
She's a bit rough. She's a bit rough.
She's a bit rough, but
She's got more rust than
everything starts off rough.
She's got more rust than the 60 series.
Oh,
And that's saying something.
What's got to be? This thing will be.
It's a get out Toyota Corolla. Oh, got the old Swift as well. She locked? Yeah, she's locked.
Yep, she's locked.
Anyway.
Now, here's one that I'm very interested in. The good old LN106 Hilux. Now, she's a bit damaged on the front, and she is very rough on the inside, but would be a really good parts car.
Oh, it's got the free out.
Yeah, the big 2.8.
Yeah. Too bad this thing had a radiator too. Nah, she won't open bad.
Look at in there, guys. It looks good.
I reckon, you know, just a bit of duct tape, mate.
Yeah, a bit
of duct tape. You see, this will buff out.
A bit of duct tape will fix all this.
This will all buff out.
Oh, 100%, no worries.
We even got a new battery.
No worries. Oh, let's get a look at this. We got some Lexus big horns.
Get a look over here. Get a look over here.
Let's get a look over here.
You see? Just put it back like that. You see? There you go. Already fixing it.
There we go. Fantastic.
There we go. See? I see potential in this.
Decent sized tray on her. Very, very nice. Great parts car, I reckon. Almost, I reckon. I don't even think the chassis is bent, so I reckon you could actually fix this up. I know, I'd have to have a proper look at it. You know. How's you looking in there, Captain?
Fix this up.
Yeah.
Needs a new bash plate.
Yep.
Too bad. I might actually install a new radiator, and now the radiator is fucked again.
Ah.
See, it's brand new too.
You bloody get that on the big jobs, I tell you.
See? Damaged.
Now, a bit off topic, but why is there an airport bloody tug there?
I don't know. I'm going to ask them.
I'll ask them, mate. I'll get to that.
Anyway, they're closing now, guys.
Yep, alright.
Hiya.
Alright, we're closing out. Here we go.
Oh,
now, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, smash the like button, just obliterate it with all your might. Hit that notification bell, and main important thing, make sure you subscribe. So, from me and Big Man Xavier, we will see you guys later. Isn't that right, mate?
Yeah, see you next time, guys.
See ya.
Adios.
Indeed.